Hello friends, today we learn subtraction revision. This is part of chapter number 3, addition and subtraction, 5th standard mathematics. In the last year, we learned subtraction up to 5 digit numbers. In this standard, we learn subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Before going to learn 6 and 7 digit numbers, first we take some revision. See example. This word example given in your book. Last year 38,796 students took a certain exam. This year the number was 47,528. How many more students took the exam this year? We have to calculate how many more students took the exam in this year. Therefore here we have to do subtraction. Now this is student in this year and these students took a certain exam in last year. Now we do subtraction here. Now 8 minus 6, 2. 2 minus 9, this is not possible. Therefore we can take or borrow from this 5. Then 12 minus 9, here remains 3. Now again here we can borrow from 7. Then see here. Then here get 14. Now 14 minus 7, 7. Here remains 6. Now 6 minus 8, it is not possible. Therefore we can borrow from 4. Here remains 3. Now 16 minus 8 remains 8. And 3 minus 3, 0. Means 8,732 more students took the exam this year. Now see problem set 10, page number 12. First example, subtract 64,293 minus 28,547. Here we have to do subtraction. Now 3 minus 7. 3 is a small digit and 7 is a big. Therefore we can borrow from tens. Here we can borrow 1 10. Here remains 8 and we get here 13. Now 13 minus 7. How many remains? 6. Now 8 minus 4. 4. 2 minus 5. Again 2 is a smaller digit and 5 is a bigger. Therefore we can borrow from here 1000. Here remains 3 and here we get 12. Now 12 minus 5. How many remains here? 7. 3 minus 8. Again we can borrow from 10,000 place. Here remains 5 and here we get 13. Now 13 minus 8. How many remains here? 7. Sorry, 5. Here we remains 5. Now 5 minus 2, 3. The answer is 35,726. Now example number 2. 37,058 minus 23,469. Subtraction transform unit place. We know that this is we can learn from second standard subtraction. Now 8 minus 9, this smaller digit, therefore we can borrow from here 10. Here remains 4, we get 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Here again 4 is a small and 6 is a big, therefore we can borrow from 100. Here 0 100, therefore we borrow from 1000 place. Here remains 6, here we get 10. Now we can borrow 1. Here remains 9 and here we get 14. 14 minus 6, how many remains? Let's count. 8. Now 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 3, 3 and 3 minus 2, 1. The answer is 13,589. Now example number 3. 71,540 minus 58,628. Here 0 minus 8, it is not possible. Therefore borrow from tens place. Here remains 3. 10 minus 8, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 is a smaller and 6 is bigger, therefore borrow from here 1000 place, here we get 15. Now 15 minus 6, how many remains? 9. Now here 0 minus 8, we can borrow from here 10,000 place, here remains 6. Now 10 minus 8, 2, and 6 minus 5, 1. The answer is 12,912. Now next example, example number 4. 50,432 minus 48,647. Now 2 minus 7, we can borrow from here, here remains 2, here we get 12. 12 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. We can count after the 7. Now 2 minus 4, again borrow from here, we get 12 minus 4. How many remains? 12 minus 4, 8. 3 minus 6, not possible. We borrow from 1000 place, here 0,000. Then we can borrow from 10,000 plus, here remains 4, here 10. Now borrow from this 10, here remains 9, and we get here 13. Now 13 minus 6, 7. 9 minus 8, 1, and 4 minus 4, 0. The answer is 1785. Now we are going to learn subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. This is subtraction of up to 5 digit numbers. We learn in 4th standard. Now we learn subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. We have learned carry out subtraction of 5 digit numbers. Using the same method, we can do subtraction of more than 5 digits. Now let's see example. 65,07,843 minus 9,25,586. Now we do vertical arrangement and then solve. 3 minus 6, this is not possible, therefore we can borrow from tens place. We can 3, and here we get 13. Now 13 minus 6 remains 7. Now 3 minus 8, again we can borrow from 100 place, here remains 7, and we get 13. Now 13 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 2, we can borrow from here lakh place, here remains 4, and here we get 10. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 9, again we can borrow from 10 lakh place, here remains 5, and here we get 14. Now 14 minus 9 remains 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. And 5 minus nothing is 5. The answer is 55,82,257. Now example number 2. 34,61,058 minus 27,04,579. Now we can arrange this example in vertical and then solve. Now 8 minus 9, we can borrow from tens place, here 4, and here we get 18. Now 18 minus 9, 9. Again 7, we can borrow from 100 place, 100, 0. Then borrow from 1000 place, here remains 0, 10, now here 9, and here we get 14. Now 14 minus 7, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 0 minus 4, not possible. We borrow from 10,000 place, remains 5, and we get 10. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 7, again we have to borrow from 10 lakh place, here remains 2, and here we get 14. 14 minus 7, 7, and 2 minus 2, 0. The answer is 7,56,479. In subtraction, we have to remember one thing. Every time we can borrow from the adjacent place. See, in this example, we can borrow from tens place. This is adjacent of this unit place. Then in this place we can borrow from 100 place. This is adjacent place of 10 place. Here 0 adjacent place of 1000. Therefore we can borrow from adjacent place each time. Okay. Now see next example. subtraction by another method. Now we do subtraction, and then this is second method of subtraction. Before subtracting one number from the another, if we add 10 or 100 to both of them, the difference remains same. Let us use this fact. Now by first we see example, then understood what they tell us. First is 724 minus 376. Now see, 724 minus 376. Now 4 minus 6, this is not possible. We can take borrow in the last first method. Now in the second method we have to here add 10, then we get 14. If we add 1 10 and this 4 14, and here also we can add 1 10. See, before subtracting one number from another, we add 10 or 100 to both of them. Here we add 10 and here also we add 10. Understood? Now 14 minus 6, how many remains? 8. Now 2 minus 7 minus 1 possible? Not. Therefore we have to add here 1 10. Here we have to add 1 10, we get 12 tens. Here we also add 10 100, and here we get 12 tens, means 12 tens means 1200. Here we have to add 10 tens. Okay. Now 12 minus 8, how many remains? 4. See, 7 minus 1 means we have to subtract 8. 12 minus 8, 4. Now 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, how remains? 3. The answer is 348. See, in this example we have to subtract 7, this 3 plus 1 4, and 7 plus 1 8. Then understood? Here add, and here also add, here add, here add, means we here add 100 on both the side and here add tens. This is second method of subtraction. Now see example on this method. Example first, 4,05,825 minus 9,876. Now 5 minus 6, we can add here 1 and here also 1, then we get 15. Now 15 minus 6, how many remains? 9. Now 2 minus 8, therefore here add 1, here also we get 12. Now 12 minus 8, how many remains? 4. Now 8 minus 9, not possible, therefore here we add 1 and here we get 18. Now 18 minus 9, see, 8 and 1 9, remains 9 here. Now 5 minus 10, not possible, therefore here we get 15. Here first we add 1 and here we get 15. Now 15 minus 10, how many remains? 5. Now 0 minus 1, not possible, therefore we here add 1, here we get 10. 10 minus 1, 9, and 4 minus 1, 3. The answer is 3,95,949. Now example number 2, 25,20,211 minus 2,18,950. Here we have to do subtraction. Now 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 5, here we add 1, here also add 1, we get 11. 1 means 100, here add we 100. Now 11 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6. Sorry. Now 2 minus 10, here also 1, add here 100. Then 12 minus 10, 2. Now 0 minus 9, here we get 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2, 3 and 2. The answer is 23,01,261. See, 10 minus 9. Here 2 minus this 2. Now we solve problem set 11, page number 13. Question is subtract. Example number 1. 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. Now arrange this example in vertical method, then solve. Now 3 minus 6 we borrow from here, remains 0. Here get 13. 13 minus 6 remains 7. Now 0 minus 5 again borrow from here, we get remains 4, and 10 minus 5 5. Now 4 minus 2 2. 7 minus 2 5. 5 minus 8 not possible, again borrow from this adjacent place. Here remains 7, we get 15. 15 minus 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 remains 7. Now 7 minus 4 remains 3, means the answer is 3,75,257. Now example number 2. 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. Now arrange this example in vertical, then subtract. 9 minus 3, how many remains? 9 minus 3 6. 1 minus 2 we can borrow from here, we get here 11. 11 minus 2 9. 4 minus 4 0. 7 minus 7 0. 1 minus 0 1. 3 minus 0 3, and 1 minus 1 0. The answer is 3,10,096. Let's see example number 3. 68,34,501 minus 23,57,823. Now 1 minus 3, this is not possible, therefore we can borrow from tens. Here 10 is also 0, therefore we can borrow from 100. Here get 4, here 10, then here get 9, and we get 11. Now 11 minus 3 8. Now 9 minus 2, how many remains? 7. 4. 4 minus 8 again borrow from 1000 place, it remains 3, and here get 4. Now 4 minus 8 6. 3 minus 7 again borrow from here get 2, and now 13 minus 7 6. Now 2 minus 5 not possible, borrow from next place, remains 7 with 12. Now 12 minus 5 7. Now 7 minus 3 4, and 6 minus 2 4, means the answer is 44,76,678. Now example number 4. 45,43,827 minus 12,05,938. Now this arrange this vertically and then solve. 7 minus 8 not possible, therefore borrow from next. Here get 17. Now 17 minus 8 remains 9. 1 minus 3, here get 11, here we get 7. Now 11 minus 3 8. 7 minus 9 again borrow from adjacent place 2. Now 17 minus 9 remains 8. Now 2 minus 5 again borrow from. Now 12 minus 5 7. 3 minus 0 3. 5 minus 2 3. 4 minus 1 3, means the answer is 33,37,889. Now example number 5. See, 70,12,345 minus 28,64,547. Now this arrange in vertical, then solve. Now 5 minus 7 15 minus 7, here we can borrow from this tens place. Now 15 minus 7 remains 8. Now 3 again borrow from, here remains 3, 8 13. Now 13 minus 4 9. 2 minus 5 not possible, borrow from 1000 place, we get 12. Now 12 minus 5 remains 7. 1 minus 4 again borrow from 11 minus 4 remains 7. 0 minus 6 borrow from lakh place 0, then again borrow from 10 lakh place. Here we get 6, 10, now 9, and we get 10. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 6 minus 2 remains 4, means the answer is 41,47,798. Now example number 6, 38,01,213 minus 37,54,648. Arrange this vertically and then solve. 3 minus 8, now 13 minus 8 remains 5. 1, here we get 0. Now 0 minus 4 possible? Not, therefore we can borrow from here, remains 1, and we get 10 minus 4, 6, 1, again borrow, here get 11, 11 minus 6 remains 5, here 0, 2, here 0, borrow from next place, here is 0, then again borrow here we get 7, now 10, again borrow 9, here we get 10, now 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 7, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. The answer is 46,565. Okay, thank you for watching the video.